Hi, today I will tell you about the best service in the category Top Freelancer Sites. It is the world's largest freelancer exchange that includes advanced collaboration tools. I make over $25,000 a month with this and have been working with this for about 9 years. I want to tell you about 5 useful features that few people know about, but which really make this service the best in the Top Freelancer Sites category. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. And now, with an illustrative example, I will show you everything in detail.
If you're asking yourself, is Fiverr worth it? Then we want to be upfront and say that it does take a lot of effort to be successful on Fiverr. But it also takes a lot of effort to be successful on any other freelance platform or going it solo as a freelancer. Freelancing is not an easy career choice, but it's still the best career choice we ever made. That said, there are a few things to consider if Fiverr is worth it for you. Let's take a look in more detail. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online global marketplace offering tasks and services beginning at a cost of $5 per job, hence its name. The site is primarily used by freelancers and small business owners who use Fiverr to offer services to customers on a global scale. A service offered on Fiverr is called a gig. The service is offered by the seller, a freelancer, and bought by the buyer, employer. $5 is the popular starting price for offers on Fiverr. Buyers pay Fiverr for orders in advance. Sellers keep 80% of each gig they sell and successfully complete and deliver. For example, each $5 gig you sell and successfully deliver accredits your account with a net revenue of $4. Fiverr accredits sellers once an order is completed. As you build your rating on Fiverr, it is possible to start to raise your rates for gigs. Each gig is different and therefore may be subject to a rate change. How Fiverr works? Fiverr has a pretty simple proposition for freelancers. Create a gig, sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to our global audience. Deliver great work. Get notified when you get an order and use our system to discuss details with customers. Get paid. Get paid on time. Every time. Payment is transferred to you upon order completion. In reality, it's a little more complicated than that, and Fiverr is not worth it for every type of freelance gig. Let's look at how you can make money using Fiverr and a few case studies from those who are making a decent income from Fiverr gigs. What to consider before getting started on Fiverr. Before you dive into signing up to Fiverr and listing your services, let's take a look at what to consider before you get started. Do you have a talent, a skill, a product, a service that you love doing? Are you good at what you do? Have you made money with that service or product anywhere else? You don't have to be the best at anything. You simply need to be able to provide quality and value. Can you perform or supply it quickly, preferably in 24 hours? Are you willing to perform or supply your talent, skill, product, service for $5 for a temporary period of time? Do you have a good communication skill? Do you make friends easily? If you can answer yes to most of the above questions, you can be more confident that Fiverr is worth it for you. So take some time looking through Fiverr in the category you would be working in. How to make money using Fiverr? At least in the beginning, the only way you have to set yourself apart is to undercut your competition. The markets you're looking at face heavy competition from developing countries, which will make undercutting difficult. It's hard to show why you're worth 3-5 times as much as another designer, especially when you are a new seller and they're an experienced high-level seller. The key is to move up quickly through the Fiverr levels so you can take advantage of all these opportunities and get more visibility on the platform. For context, I became a top-rated seller in 6 months. My advice is to go ahead and open an account and find gigs that you can do in literally a few minutes. This way, you can work up to being a high-level seller. Once you get your level 2 qualifications, you can sell extras and increase the price of your services and actually make a decent amount from each gig. Perhaps a bigger benefit, at least initially, is to get paid to sharpen your skills. You can improve your sales, customer service, and technical skills massively thanks to Fiverr. Even if you're already signed up for Fiverr, there are a few ways to make your profile stand out and attract more work. With a simple and straightforward profile system, you can quickly eliminate weak candidates. On Fiverr's profile pages, you will find a lot of useful information such as testimonials from previous clients, average response times, and portfolio of completed projects. If you like a particular freelancer, you can see what other services he or she offers. You should immediately be wary if the profile is filled out somehow. You will immediately exclude many dubious specialists paying attention to spelling errors or a half-empty profile. It's also always a good idea to contact and chat with a freelancer before closing a deal. Freelancers receive a lot of bad reviews simply due to a misunderstanding of tasks at the stage of project discussion. Good tech support and great help center. I had to see for myself how good the technical support of the Fiverr platform is, so I contacted them personally. On Fiverr, you can get help in two ways: via email, by submitting a ticket through the Buyer Help Center. Please note, the technical support is only available in English. If you know English at least at a basic level, there should be no difficulties. Registering an account and publishing projects to find performers is completely free. You only pay on Fiverr when you pay for freelancer services. The service commission is fair and is calculated as a percentage of the project cost. It rarely happens that a client pays more than a couple of dollars in commission. Fiverr automatically converts the currencies of many countries upon payment, as it is an international platform. However, Fiverr does not currently show the cost of services in Russian rubles. You will have many payment methods for services: most bank cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay via a mobile application. Payment for the work of a freelancer is made in advance and is stored in the escrow system. Fiverr does not transfer funds to a freelancer account until you confirm that you are happy with the outcome. If you don't like the result, you can give the freelancer time to correct the controversial points or cancel the deal altogether. And if you have any problems, you can always contact the customer service center so that the staff can resolve your conflict. Just remember that when you receive your finished file, you only have 3 days, or 14 days for items that need to be mailed, to approve or reject the work. If you do not answer for more than 3 days, your money is automatically transferred to the contractor.